What's up my fellow traders, hope you all having an awesome day. A quick update here on nat gas, gold, silver and crude oil, starting with natural gas. And natural gas is pushing up as expected yesterday that we can get a possible pullback to 50% retracement. Now using the upper level of the zone, now the price has pulled back, is still pulling back, so be patient till the price hit your order. For aggressive traders, as mentioned yesterday, this is your limit order right here, and for non-aggressive traders we have a zone above. If we have a push up to the zone, which is right here, in case you miss it, is 2.395, that goes to 2.475. Now this is the zone from where if the price pushes up, we have a very likely chance the price will form some sort of signal like bearish engulfers and double top entry pattern. Now these are the two signals I'll be looking at mainly. 382 candles is also one of my entry signal, but that is a weak signal, but in that case I'll just enter a trade few pips below. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at personally for aggressive and non-aggressive entries. Now as price is pushing up in a pullback, the price has just made a new low from this low. In that case, if we have a push up below 50 EMA without a price hitting the zone above and still get a bearish engulfing candle, something like this, if we have a conditions like this, we are good to go short till we are in the zone below in green. Again, for aggressive traders, 50% retracement itself your entry. First target can be 180, second target can be 1.618 retracement. If you want to manage your trades, that's totally up to you. Now trade on your own risk. This is just my opinion about the market, and this is something I personally use for my own trading and just sharing the methods I personally use for my trading. So it's totally up to you, and nothing should be taken as any sort of trading advice. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for my trades. Be patient, wait for the condition to form. Without conditions, again, you are just gambling. Now here on capital.com we have a same condition. Price is pushing up, now hit the level of previous support that has now turned resistance. Now at this point I'll be closely looking at the entry condition from this level. The level, in case you missed it, it is right here, the number 2.110, that goes to 2.252. Now this level price is inside of. For aggressive entry from the zones, we can get a possible push into the zone and then bearish engulfing candle, or we have a double top pattern. In that case we are good to go short. If we have a push up below 50 EMA with a bearish engulfer, something like this, we are good to go short in that case. So all these are conditions I will looking at for Fibonacci tool. If we are using that, we can use this low of the candle until the zone above. In that case, if we have a 50% retracement, that is your sell limit order, and 1.618 retracement will be your take profit too. And the zone below, it is right here, a major area 1.545, that goes to 1.676. Now this is an area, if we have a dramatic fall, only area I'll be looking to enter my buy trades here on capital.com. And here on Ovanda, in case you missed this, I want to give you one more condition, which is 1.959, that goes to 2.059. Now I'll be also looking at closely head and shoulder pattern. Now we have a left shoulder, a push up. Now this can be ahead of the pattern. Let's say the price did not reach to this level. In that case, if we have a move something like this and we have a right shoulder, and then price can reverse from here as well. But the condition is I want to see this pattern to form to take my bullish trade. Let's say if the price did not make it to this level, in that case I'll start to look for my head and shoulder pattern, and for that the price needs to be broken above 50 EMA for that pattern to be formed. So these are the conditions I'll be looking at closely for my next entries. Now here on NEMEX we have a valid bullish engulfing pattern. That is also one of my valid entry. I'm now expecting a bounce from here, and then once we have a good bounce of 1 or 2 ATR, we can expect a hit of 20 EMA. If broken above 20 EMA, we have a likely chance the price will hit the zone and form bearish engulfing pattern. In that case, we are good to go short for our next sell trade. I'll use 1 or 2 ATR for my target. So the other conditions I'll be looking at, we are still in the area of value here on NEMEX platform, which is 2.018, that goes to 2.169. In case you are trading, the condition has formed here, and let's see how it goes. The minor zone above that has been broken is 2.307, that goes to 2.343, till where we can get a possible push up to before the price will likely to continue to push lower. So these are conditions. I'll keep you informed accordingly once I see a change in trend or any other conditions to look at. Then we have gold, has now broken above nicely, as mentioned in my last video, that once we have a break and close above, then we can start to look for the pullback entry bullish. We did not get any condition here, but we were looking for bullish trades as mentioned in my yesterday's video, as we are now broken above 50 EMA. Now very important for you if you are a beginner, the way I take my trades, if the price is trading above 50 and 20 EMA, I take my buy trades. There is no ifs and there is no buts. If the price is trading below 50 and 20 EMA, I'll just take my sell trade. There is no ifs, there is no buts, but we have a but here. which is every rise has a fall or every fall has a rise. Now, if the price hit my area of value and above 50 or 20 EMA, in that case, we use this zone as our counter trading zone that we are going against the trend, because trend is likely to be over from these order block zones or the area of value. Now, if the price continues to push up, in that case, a zone above, take your sell trades, it is 2070.85 that goes into 2077.04, from where we will going to enter our sell trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. At this point, we are now broken above with a good momentum. If we have a pullback, which is likely now to this anchor level, let me give you that as well, which is right here. Price can likely use this level to push further higher. Now, to look for the bullish condition, which is, of course, if you follow me from a couple of years, then you know the pullback entry with the push down with bullish engulfing pattern. In that case, we have a good signal. If the price hit this anchor level from bullish engulfers, 382 candles, in that case, we will also have a buy signal. But I'll be mainly looking at, if you are my core student, don't get confused with any other entries. If you are my student in MMTA, all you need to look at the entry pattern, which is a pullback entry at this point. But generally, we have the price action, the way it works, we can get a possible pullback to this anchor level, and then price will push up and continue to push higher. Only looking for the bearish trade with the conditions I have just mentioned. Then we have silver. It's nicely and gradually pushing up. Silver is quite slow than gold and broken above 20 and 50 EMA. All I'm looking at a pullback above 50 EMA with bullish engulfers and keep on taking longs till we are in the zone above, which is, let me change the color to red, which is my level of resistance, which is 24.26 that goes to 24.66, from where I'll be looking to enter my sell trade with bearish engulfers, double top, inverted hammers, 382 candles bearish. Till then, we are only looking for buy trades and buy opportunities with conditions only. Silver has also formed a little anchor level, same as gold right here. As you can see, the price already pushed down, pulled back to this level and pushing up. So we can expect the same price action, push up, anchor level and keep on pushing up, forms an anchor level and keep on pushing up till we are in the zone above. Remember, the conditions are very important. I look for the bullish conditions to take my next buy trades. Last of all, we have crude oil. How nicely the price action is pushing lower, and the zone was sent to my members as well from last so many months, and we were paying attention to this area of value. Now, very important not to take your trading as you're gambling, because in trading we have a losing and winning trade, but very important, when you have a losing trade, sit down, be patient, wait for an area of value. Something like this, we have a nice push up in this area of value. The patience paid off, and that would be a good amount of money if you would have entered this trade. Now, at this point, I would exit my trade, of course, because the price is now hitting 50 EMA. For the continuation in bearish trend, it needs to be broken below 50 EMA to take my next bearish trade. But we can likely get a red candle that can close below 50 EMA, and then a possible green candle that can close back above 50 EMA. If that happens, we are good to go long till this rejection box of double top pattern is 78.29 that goes to 79.25, from where we can look for our sell conditions, which can be bearish engulfer or inverted hammer, which is right here, a 382 candle if we are in the zone, and then we have a bearish condition without a price to close above this high. So these are the conditions now I'll be looking at for crude oil. We can get a possible signal here to take our buy trades. Now, if there is no signal, we have broken below 50 EMA with at least 2 red candle, only then I'll start to look for my next sell trade. So these are the conditions you need to pay attention to take your next trade. So last one, I want to add ETF, which is cold and boil, as I was getting demand from the traders to do analysis on cold and boil. So here we go, we have cold and boil right here. Let's do boil first here. As you can see, I've already sent these zones to my members, but let's do a detailed analysis here on boil. So right here we have a little level, anchor level, which is 34.57 that goes up to 37.89, and now at this point we have a possible chance the price will push up and continue to push lower. Looking at the fact the price is just trading lower from couple of weeks after the consolidation was broken, it decided to push lower, and that is what has happened. Now at this point we have two levels, which is a big level, and that is one is an anchor level. Right here I've already given you the anchor level above, which is 46.46 that goes to 50.41. Now we have a chance, if the price will break above 50 EMA, it will likely hit this level above, which is a very good level from where we can get a possible continuation towards the downside. Looking at the downtrend, I'm only looking for sell opportunities at this point. If you have a push up to 50 EMA, I will only go short with the possible rejections, and I will keep on taking shorts until we are completely broken above this level. So only looking for sell trades either from this level with condition or either at this level with condition. So these are conditions. Now I'll be looking at only looking for bearish continuation trade. As you can see, we have a bearish signal here. There is a chance we have a little push down, we have broken below, and then we get a possible pullback and then keep on taking shots. These are the two levels I'll be looking at, a major level and a minor level to take my next trade. For now, I'm only looking for pullback entry bearish. Now here on KOLD, go opposite to each other. Right here we have a level above, which is the monthly level as well. Right here if you see, and now we have a daily level right here, a good level, and price has formed a double top pattern on daily level. And here on 4-hour charts we have a good double top pattern followed by bearish engulfer. Looking at that, we can expect a push down to 50 EMA. It broken, we have a level below, which is a trend continuation level bullish. Now a level below, which is 78.93, that goes up to 87.00, a level from where if we get a push down we can get another push up and price can likely to push up in a continuation. So now we can get a possible pullback looking at this resistance level, which is right here, and once the price reaches this level I will again enter my trade with bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. If we have a condition above 50 EMA like bullish engulfer, something like this, we have a chance that price will again push up. If broken above this top, then we will have a continuation towards the upside, and then we will use this level as our trend continuation level bullish. Hope you're getting value out of my videos, and I hope you're learning something out of it. If yes, hit a like button for me. It really helps me in a YouTube algorithm. Hope you trade green the rest of the week. See you guys in the next one. Till then, take care.